Okay, so a positive feedback loop is when a system acts so as to increase a certain behavior. So it's in common language, when you talk about feedback, I gave you positive feedback or negative feedback. That's not what I'm talking about. Okay? That's a missignal. Positive feedback in a system sense means an acceleration of an existing trend. So if we take the Arctic, and we had a situation this year where a Russian ship was able to cross the Bering Strait without an icebreaker for the first time. Okay, it's melted to such a degree that it was able to get through without an icebreaker. Amazing feat, but a scary one, because it means that all that ice is melting. And so the ice is at least melting in the summer, okay? When the ice melts in the summer, do we have an increase or decrease of albedo? Does it become more or less reflective? We already answered the question, I'm just restating. Less, okay? You have less albedo, it's less reflective. Okay, instead, what you have is exposing ocean, and on land, you have plants that grow. They're pretty dark, and ocean absorbs heat dramatically. So what you have is the black blouse or black sweater phenomenon, which is that once that ice cap is removed, it gets warmer. When it gets warmer, does more ice form in the winter or less? Less. So more land is left uncovered by ice. When more land is left uncovered by ice, does the albedo decrease or increase? Does the reflectivity increase or decrease? It decreases. When it decreases, does it get warmer or colder, the land? Warmer. When it gets warmer, more ice melts. When more ice melts, there's more surface. It's water or land with plants. That heats up, no reflection, and that's a positive feedback loop. The more that occurs, the more that can occur. And at some point, it's impossible to stop it. It doesn't reverse itself. Okay, even an exceptionally cold winter isn't going to reverse the phenomenon. And that's what you have happening right now in the Arctic and Antarctic, is that you have positive feedback loops occurring, which are based on basically reducing the albedo, and that's the part of the world that we can rely on the most to reflect light back into space. So we're getting the double whammy. Not only do we have a thickening of this blanket of gases that blocks heat from leaving, but we also have less light being reflected, more absorbed. Are you with me?